Hello, hello, this is High Tops 29, Cobra 29 XLR. Give it a little bath, change out the audio chip, and cleaned out the switches along in here. Clipped the mods, got her pinked and tuned. 0408, 0408 and a Cobra 29 XLR. Hello, audio 1 2, audio 1 2, audio. Cobra 29 XLR just got down. Put my green light in there. I gotta give a top a little bath. There you go, High Top Cobra 29 XLR. That's the A&L turned off. There's the one switch. There's the second switch. And you got that one there. You got your HF. And your dim. Turn the channel selector all the way off.
I think you said Georgia, something like that, back in the woods of Georgia, no doubt. 1157 out here, something, Arizona, Virginia, bro. Yo, doubt about it. Come on back if you can. Come on.
2 watts. Audio. Swing about 9. Audio. 0408, 408 in a man cave on the Cobra 29. Got a new meter, new light, change out the audio chip. Bump, bump, bump. Yeah, it's a pretty radio, man. I give it a little bath there. Got the knobs all nice and clean there. We're gonna give you a video gate of the meters when you come back in there. It ain't gonna focus, man. LED lights, man, they're bad on the camera. They are real bad on the camera, but yeah, where they can, probably about 0.1 watt, swinging about 4 right there. Hello on the back side. Audio.
Hell yeah, that thing is talking, man. Sounds real good, clear, everything, man.
Hey, Roger. Yeah, man. What do you think about it there? What do you think about it there, Gray Fox?
Blowing smoke.
Damn boy, I'm blowing smoke. Yeah, man. When you put that damn, when you put that 1969 final in there, I'm just debating on the leave it alone. At least you leave it alone there for sure, for sure. I'm gonna be proud of my work there and just put the screws in her for sure, because I'm liking this performance.
Roger. Well, like we said earlier, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.